Hello friends, Patrick here. Today we are looking into this. This is the D5 pump from my last build, which was actually using the C1000 Thermaltake red liquid there, and as you can see straight away, it is terrible. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm actually going to take this apart. I'm going to see what's inside and actually see how much damage has been done by the C1000 liquid cooling liquid. As you can see, it's kind of splashed all over because and some of the bits I hear are actually falling off, like they're dried bits. Like that's really not supposed to be happening with a liquid. And there it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look inside, see how much damage has been done to the pump, if I can use the pump. Now, the reason I redid my whole computer actually is because the pump and the pressure in the whole system was getting super low. I had to turn up the pump to over 4, so nearly 5, to actually get some speed going. The CPU was getting much higher temperatures. There was a whole heap going on. So today I want to take apart and see what's actually happening inside. As you can see, there's bits everywhere. I mean, that's just spills, but it's just, you can see it's gone into some sort of like muck. It's like a powder red now. It's actually like, if I knock it around, it's actually all coming off. So imagine what it is inside. So let's actually unscrew a few bits and pieces and see what we can get. Now, most of these screws are just in regards to getting the system mounted inside a case. They have nothing to do with the structural integrity of it, but there is a way to take it apart. And the reason I'm doing it on a black table is well, first of all, I want to start using this table for videos like this where I just use my hands and you guys don't really see my face, even though you can in the reflection. But I want to make sure that the surface is clean from distraction, so whatever pops out or falls out or any liquid that comes out, you guys can see what it looks like. So here's a bracket. I'll put that to the side and we can see, take off a few bits and pieces. So this was actually holding it up before. Yeah, if you can look inside those holes, if you can kind of see in there, it's a little bit red, but I think I can screw this bit off first. So actually let's take this out, because this is just the light cable, so we don't need that. Let's unscrew this bit. Holy crap, look at all those bits falling out. And that's just in between here. That's just the dried stuff. Okay, so we've got some of the sealant coming out. So we've got a ring that seals it all in, which is fine. This is actually the pump itself. So if I just remove this ring from here, as you can see inside the ring, just a few leaks here and there of the stuff coming out, and it's all powder now. It's all dirty powder. I can scrape that out and actually get it out. Look at that. That's all powder. So that liquid has gone from liquid to powder and dried into a fine mesh. So what kind of company creates a liquid that then goes in powder? It dries a little bit. That's insane. So we've got a little bit of pump here. I think that moves, so I'm guessing it spins. Now, I don't think I can go further than this and actually look inside, but it seems to me that unless it is dry, it actually should be not that problematic. So I should be able to get this, run it through some actual liquid and clean it up and actually still use it. Oh, here we go. That comes out, okay. All right, so this must be the magnetic seal there. This keeps it spinning, so I guess cleaning it out should be quite all right. So I'm happy with that. I am relieved that that's the design. Obviously, I've never actually looked into one, but that's the first time. But this sits on here, this spins on a magnetic bit, and that's the actual bit that pumps water. So awesome. Now let's have a look inside here. So internally, there is quite a bit of powder just on the edges here. And obviously on the rings around here where you can spin it in, but most of it I think is fallen out. So I think if I give this a good clean, it should be all right. I don't think I can take, oh, here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that crap falling out. Now this, I believe, is probably all inside the radiator, the pumps, and as you could see in another video actually, I did take apart the graphics card block and it had it all there. Look at that. That's just all dried. Obviously I've taken it out, so it has dried, but why? Why should a liquid leave this kind of substance? You can see it just there and around here. Look at my hands, they're red. But look, this is the inside. And I think if I can I get any deeper? I don't want to break anything, but if you can just sort of look in there, you can see the powder all sitting on that edge. It's just definitely not what you want to see in a pump. And this is all coming out of the dried bits. So imagine there's a bit in there that isn't quite dry, or maybe a little bit, wet. But over time, it all accumulates in one spot, and then does actually dry out in the sense that it's just there and separates from the liquid. So what we have here is actually, I would say that this is actually the coloring that's separated from the liquid that's there. I think it's just separated itself, and it's all on the inside in here. And the pump, well, we got lucky with the pump because it can be cleaned. But look at that crap in here. That's just disgusting. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna clean all this. I'm gonna see if I can get this back to its original glory. And I'm really gonna try that hopefully today. And actually put it all back together. Don't forget this O-ring that was here. Hopefully I don't forget that. And we'll see what happens. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you're interested to find out more, I have a couple more videos about this, and obviously the pain I went through in actually fully cleaning it up while it was in a loop. But this is just the aftermath. This is what happens when you use the Thermaltake C1000 red liquid cooling liquid. It makes a mess, and that's why I don't use colors anymore. Like I said in a video previously, if you want to use colors, it's for show. Don't use this one, use another one, because I've had in the past ones that worked perfectly. This one unfortunately did not. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in another video, and obviously subscribe, like, let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know what you'd like to see next time. See ya.